Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School and today's topic is notice writing. Notice writing is an important topic of English composition where you understand how to give some short and very precise instructions to a limited set of people. So before understanding how to write a notice, we need to understand what a notice is and how it's just to be written. So let's continue with that. A notice is a formal document that aims to communicate or display information to the public or a specific group of people. So before understanding notice writing, you need to understand what is a notice. A notice is basically a formal document. So this is very clear that the writing of a notice has to be formal. You cannot use an informal tone or a informal attitude while writing. It has to be very precise and very formal. That aims to communicate or display information. Generally, what is done through a notice is that information is being displayed to people. आप उसके अंदर कोई रिवर्ट या वो कुछ नहीं ले रहे हो, there's no discussion that is going on. That is just a piece of information or your information that is displayed to people or you're giving to people. That's it. To the public or a specific group of people. Okay? And that information is given to the public or a specific group of people. It is not hidden somewhere. It is displayed for everyone's view. Means everybody can go and read that view. उसके अंदर कुछ भी hidden नहीं होता है या कुछ भी confidential नहीं होता. Every information that has been given in notice is for everybody. It might specify or it might try to communicate a targeted group, but it is not necessary that only those can read it. Second point of a notice is written or printed information or news announcement. Notice is actually a written or printed information or news announcement. It is a written or a printed information. I told you before only that it is just for informative purpose or news announcement. When some news is to be given, then also written. Another very important key point of a notice is that it is always brief and to the point. ये कभी भी इधर उधर की बातें नहीं करेगा. जो बात है या जो मेन इसका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, it will just mention that and that is it. There is no more other interventions or other talking that has to be done while doing this. Okay. Then this is the format of the notice. The format of the notice is very simple. You have to write the name of the institution or organization, then the word notice, this date, month, and all these things. These things can be written here also, and it can be written here along with the notice also. So both these things. Name of the institution is written. If the address is small, it is written with it. If the address is a bit big, then this is the address is written below this. When it is written here, it is in capital format. But when you're writing it in the second line, it is to be written in normal way, like the first letter capital, and then the rest in small. Okay. Then we have to give the heading. After heading, we have to write the body or the content, the main topics we are talking about, signature, name, and designation. Signature is not always important, but you can do that. Okay, even if you're writing your name and designation, that also is sufficient. I hope this was clear to all of you. Everybody understood the format. Now there are some tips that are to be followed while writing a notice, which will make your notice more effective and more appealing to the people, because the objective of a notice is how many people, how a huge number of people come and read it and get the information related to it. Okay. The first one is adhere to a specific word limit of 50 words. adhere to the specified word limit of 50 words. Means you will be given a word limit of 50 words and you have to stay to that only. You have to stick to that only. You do not have, you cannot change it, or you cannot, write more than 50 words. Then write the word notice on top. This is very important. You have to write down notice on top because you have to mention that this is a notice and this is information for everyone. Name and place of the school, organization, or office. Means whosoever is issuing the notice, whosoever is issuing the notice, the name of that particular organization or institution has to be mentioned. Okay. Giving an appropriate heading is very much important. Before writing the body and or the content, it is very important that you give a proper heading. Supposing that there's a meeting of monitors, there's a meeting in the school of monitors. So what will happen is that the notice heading will be class monitors meeting. So after reading the heading, you can decide whether you have to read it or not. If you are not a class monitor, it doesn't matter to you, so you can avoid it. And if you are a class monitor, then you will read it completely. कहाँ जाना है, कब जाना है, कितने बजे जाना है. Okay, so heading is very much important because it gives an introduction to the notice. Then write the date of issuing the notice. The date of issuing the notice is to be written along with notice. जहाँ पे आप notice word लिखोगे ना, either in the second line or in the line together with it, you have to write down date of issuing the notice. जिस दिन notice issue हुआ है, जिस दिन notice जो है वो निकाला गया है, उस दिन आप वो लिखोगे. Okay. Then clearly mention the target room for whom the notice is to be. Okay. You have to mention the target group. Obviously, class monitors की meeting. So you have to mention that the meeting is for class monitors, not for everybody. Purpose of notice, that also again you have to write in the content part. That is also very much important. All the relevant details, date, venue, time, कब meeting है, क्यों है, कहाँ हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कब हुआ, ये सारी चीजें you have to mention. Signature, name and designation of the person issuing the notice. The person who is issuing the notice का name, signature and designation. It is not always important that you have a designation. Supposingly, if you are writing lost and found notice, so there will be no designation. Okay, so that you have to keep in mind. Signature is not always important. Only name and designation can also do. Otherwise, if you want, you can also sign. Then the most important thing is that you have to put the notice in a box. You cannot write down the notice without a box. It is very important that you write down the notice in a box. Okay. Then this is one example of a notice. Okay, that your the question reads as, who are Lokesh Chaudhary, the head boy of ASM Public School, Mayur, Bihar. Now this is the first thing that you have to understand. That the first thing is given is the name of the institution. Okay, the activities in charge of your school has asked. Now this is the purpose. Has asked you to call the meeting of the House Council members to allocate duties for the annual sports day. This is the work that has to be, or this is the information you have to give on the notice. That is that there is a meeting of House Council members. Okay. And the reason of the meeting is that they are allocating the duties of the annual sports day. Okay. Invent the necessary details of date, time, and place, and write the notice in about 50 words. Invent the details means you have to write the details by your own wish. There are no details given in the book or the question, so you have to write it on your own wish. It can be anything. Okay. Write the notice in about 50 words and put the notice in a box. You have to write the notice in 50 words, and putting it in a box is very much important. So first we'll see that this is the name which we got as the name of the institution and the address. So when I told you before also that when the address is large, you will write it in this way. Otherwise, Delhi would have been written here only. Okay. ASN Public School, Mayura, Delhi. Then you write down the date and notice on the same line, or you can put the date in the next line. Okay. Then this is the heading, meeting of House Council members. This is written very clearly here so that if any House Council member is passing by, you can just have a look. Okay, is there a notice for me? Yes, there is a notice. Read here or for information collect करेगा. सारे notices की heading देख. House Council members के लिए अगर कोई भी information नहीं है, so you can just ignore all of them. You do not need to read. Then in very simple language, you have read the school is organizing the annual sports day on 28th February 2011. The activities in charge is called a meeting of House Council members to discuss the arrangements for the annual sports day. Reach the auditorium at 1:30 p.m. on 23rd January 2021. 21st. Now you have to keep in mind that these dates should be aligned properly. ठीक है स्पोर्ट्स डे हमने कब का डिसाइड किया 28 फरवरी 2021 so because we are organizing this so at least 1 week before we'll 1 month before we'll start the practice and all the arrangements so the date is according to that then the meeting is to be called in 1 or 2 days so this date will be in accordance with this date ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है कि आपने नोटिस को इशू किया 21st जनवरी का and you told that you have to attend the meeting on the 18th January 2020 that is not possible okay then your name I told you that you do not need to always sign this is your name and this is your designation ये आपका post और ये आपका name okay I hope it was clear to all. Very few important things that you need to keep in mind in this. That you always have to keep the language very subtle and very clear and very precise. You always have to put the notice in a box. You have to write down the word notice. The name of the institution has to be in capital. The whole meeting agenda or the heading that has to be capital. Okay. This is one of the very simplest topics. So I hope this was clear to all of you. Keep in mind the proper format of the notice because whatever happened, okay. So I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.